Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your Asus laptop camera if it is not working. And now, let's get started. If your camera app is displaying an error message or simply not functioning, we have a few troubleshooting steps to get it operational again. Begin by opening your Start menu, type Settings, and click on the Settings application. On the left-hand side, select Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find Camera and click on it. Ensure that camera access is switched on. Then, verify that Let Apps Access Your Camera is also enabled. Further down, under the list of applications, confirm that the specific application you are trying to use with your camera has its access enabled. Once these privacy settings are confirmed, close the Settings window. Next, open the Start menu again and search for Device Manager. Click on the Device Manager application to open it. In the Device Manager window, locate and click the drop-down arrow next to Cameras. You will see your camera listed there. Right-click on your camera from the list and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstallation by clicking Uninstall when prompted. After the camera driver has been uninstalled, right-click on Cameras once more in Device Manager and choose Scan for hardware changes. This action will prompt Windows to automatically reinstall the camera driver on your computer. With the driver reinstalled, you can now open an application that uses the camera, such as the built-in camera app, and test if it is working correctly. If you are still experiencing issues, try pressing the F10 key on your keyboard. This key can sometimes be used to lock and unlock your camera. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.